Hello, welcome. It's Aaron again, bringing you another random, no, I'm sorry, not a random rambling video. This is just an audio check. I played back the last video I made, and my audio was cutting out, and I want to make sure that it was just a one-time thing. So I'm going to make another video, hopefully talk long enough to where it would cut out if it's going to cut out, and see if it was just, like I said, just a one-time thing. Anyway, I'm coming to you on Friday, the 24th day of October in 2025 at exactly 5 a.m. By exactly 5 a.m., I mean exactly 5 o'clock a.m., of course. And by of course, I mean certain. And by certain, I mean whoa. Now, I don't know if you heard that, but I sure heard it. A little feedback from the microphone. Got the microphone turned up too loud, or my earbuds not in deep enough. Damn, I need to turn down my audio there and turn down my gain, I guess, huh? There we go. That should be better. I don't know if you can still hear me. I'm sure you can, but that's definitely better as far as not getting any feedback. That might have been why my audio was fucked up last video. I might have my gain turned up too high and it was cutting out, but I don't have any noise suppression on, so I don't know why it would cut out like that. And I wasn't talking very loudly. Huh. Ho and hum. All right. Back to the video. This might turn into a random rambling vlog after all. Or video, not a vlog. I don't know what there's between a video log and a vlog and a video. That should mean I can move this in a little closer now that I turned the gain down, and I certainly can. Check. Check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Right, looking pretty good. I don't know if it's sounding any good, but it's looking pretty good on the sound bar and the audio mixer in OBS and on the indicator light on the audio interface around the gain button. A gain control. Gain knob, I guess you can set a button. It's more of a knob. Like I'm not a button, I'm more of a knob. In the last video, it sounded like I was whispering at times, and when I wasn't whispering, I don't know what caused that effect. That was kind of weird. I wasn't whispering, but made me sound like I was whispering. I don't know what caused that either. Hope not some type of entity. It was kind of scary because that was right around the same time that my roommate's television turned up real loud by itself. Cheers. Hawaiian punch with a little soda mixed into it. Pepsi Cola. It's a good combination. Uh, I'm tired, I know that. I also know I need to get on the shitter, but I can't because although I can get on the toilet and go, and could technically get off the toilet and back into my chair, but I can't clean myself. So I'd have to get my chair dirty and then get back in bed dirty if I want to sleep tonight or today. It's now 5 o'clock, 5:05, so it's no longer night. It's early morning, but I don't want to stay up from here until after lunch like I normally. That's usually when I take a nap, either after breakfast or after lunch. It would have to be after lunch today, so I have to wait. I don't want to wait that long before I lay down. I don't want to get on the toilet and go and then get in my chair and make my chair a mess and then get back in bed and make my bed a mess and sleep in it and then sit in it the next day and sit in it when I wake up. I have no interest in doing that. I'm going to hold it, try to hold it. Luckily, it's easier to hold number two than it is number one. I've tried to hold number one and I just go on myself usually. I just pee on myself usually when I try to hold number one. I don't know why it's easier to hold number two than it is number one. Now, if I had diarrhea or a very loose stool, I couldn't hold number two. But luckily, I've been having, um, I guess, formed solid stool lately, so I should be able to hold it until it comes to a point where it hurts to hold it. Then I'll go to the toilet and just wait for the next shift, which doesn't come in until around 7:30 or 8. That'd be about 3 hours from now. I don't know if I can sit in the toilet for 3 hours without everything going numb. I know I can't. Everything would be numb. My feet, my legs, my butt, my buttocks. Everything would be numb if I sat on the toilet for 3 hours straight. That is. And by straight, I mean not homosexual. And by not homosexual, I mean heterosexual. And by heterosexual, I mean straight. By straight, I mean as an arrow. They split this arrow in twain. And in twain, I mean Mark. I don't know. I guess I've been talking enough to know if my microphone cut out or not. But I'll keep talking a little longer. Talk a little longer. Please, please, please. Say you will. Say you stay just a little bit longer. I don't know who originally did it, but I know that the best version of it I know is by Jackson Brown, I believe. I don't remember who originally did that song, Stay, but it wasn't Jackson Brown. But I only know it through Jackson Brown. The original song was in Dirty Dancing. My little, that's my secret pleasure, dirty little pleasure, secret little pleasure, I guess you would call it. I love the movie Dirty Dancing. I'm not afraid to admit it. It's supposed to be a romance movie, a chick flick, a romance movie for girls. Rom-com. It's not even a rom-com. There's not really, although there are certainly funny parts. It's not supposed to be a comedy and a romance. A romantic comedy is a rom-com. I would not call that, it's called a romantic movie, but not a comedy. So it's just a chick flick then. But I'm into chick flicks. I'm not afraid to admit it. I'll sit down and watch The Notebook with a girl. I'll sit down and watch Dirty Dancing with a girl. The original. I haven't seen the other one, the newer one, but I'm sure it's shit compared to the original. It's like there's also I hear a second Roadhouse. The second road. Is it called Roadhouse? That movie with Patrick Swayze? That's the only movie Patrick Swayze's made. They've made another one soon. They'll make another ghost movie. I think they did make another Roadhouse. I can't. Is that what it's called? Roadhouse? That doesn't sound right. The movie with Patrick Swayze where he was a bouncer. And his name is Dalton. I think it's called Roadhouse. It just doesn't sound right. Sounds partially right, but not completely right. I'll be right. Speaking of right, I'll be right back as I grab my phone to see. It's called I'm pretty sure it's Roadhouse. Maybe not. I'll be back. Which movie saw Patrick Swayze play a bouncer named Dalton?
Patrick Swayze played the bouncer James Dalton in the 1989 movie Roadhouse.
It is called Roadhouse. I went and got my phone for no reason. I should have just trusted myself. If I didn't want to look like an idiot if it wasn't Roadhouse. I don't want to look like an idiot, but so often I do. All right, I'm back. I guess it's been long enough to check out my microphone, so I guess I'm going to hang it up now. I'm not really saying much anyway, so I'm going to hang it up. Two Fingers A-Dub Club. See you when I see you. Pizza rolls.